Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Now I haven't done an ASOS haul for a little while and the weather in the UK has been glorious. It has been so warm and I noticed that I actually don't have a lot of kind of casual summer dresses. So I jumped onto ASOS to have a look at what they've got and I'm going to show you some of the dresses that I picked up recently. But before I get started, don't forget, if you're not already a subscriber, then please do click the link down below and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so first up is this frill tea dress. You might have seen it in one of my previous videos, but this is a dress from New Look and I picked this up for, I think it was reduced from about £25 to about £20. And it's just a cute little frill summer dress. So you've got the frills on the sleeves there. And you've got frills on the bottom there as well. It's got nice little cutout at the back and just a pretty little simple summer dress. It is a little bit short, I must admit. I'm about 5'8", so yeah, it is a little bit short, so I have to make sure I've got my big girl pants on with these. But I just thought it's a really nice simple dress. It fits really well, looks really nice, and it's just really great for this weather because it is so hot that this is about all that you really want to wear at the moment. So this is a little frill tea dress. This is actually from New Look, but I picked it up on ASOS for £20. Next up is this dress, and this is from Boohoo. And again, I really like this. I really liked the print and the design of this one. It's got frills at the top and it's got frills at the bottom. Again, another pretty short dress, so big girl pants with these ones too. But I just really liked it. This one has got long sleeves, so it's got frills on the end of the sleeves as well. But I'm all about prints at the moment, especially for me. My problem area, as I've mentioned before, is kind of like my stomach area and that midlife spread that just doesn't seem to want to go away. So prints are great for something like that because it takes away from the kind of problem area, if you know what I mean. So people are kind of concentrating more on the print and the design, and it kind of distracts from where you've got the problem. I love stuff like this, and it zips up all the way to the top. So it's a high neck one. Maybe it's a little bit too hot for this weather at the moment because it is pretty hot in the UK at the moment. So maybe once it cools down a little bit more, I can wear this one. But all in all, I really like it. I think it's a really nice dress that you can add some heels to dress it up a bit, or just stick on some flip-flops or some sandals and dress it down. So this is from Boohoo and this was £22. Moving on to the next dress, and it's this linen dress. And this one, I saw Lydia Millen talk about it. She picked it up, so it looks so lovely on her that I thought, oh, I must try it and see what it's like. And it's really nice. It's a really flattering dress. So it's about 3/4 in length, so kind of like a bit more of a midi style. Off the shoulder here, as you can see, so you've got the elastication around the shoulder area, so it's very secure. The only thing I have had to do personally, because I am a bit chesty, so I always have a problem at the top with anything that's just buttons, I've had to add the spare button just there. So I've had to use the spare button and just close that little bit of a gape there, just because yeah, I've got a bit more boobage going on. But that was easy to do and it completely solved the problem for me. But I really love the color of this, lovely neutral color. It's just really lovely, very simple on the back as well, and it's just a really easy, simple linen dress. You can dress it up or dress it down, so yeah, another really good buy. This one cost £32. This one is a size 12. For the money, I just don't think you can go wrong. So this is £32 and this is one of the ASOS Designs linen summer dresses. Moving on to this dress, and this is just a simple black bandeau maxi dress. and I really liked it. It looked really nice online and on the model. So you've got the, you know, elasticated bit at the top. Now this is really long. It is really, really, really long. Like I said, I'm about 5'8", and this is still on the floor for me, but I absolutely love that. I really like that. That's not a problem, and especially with it being black as well, but it doesn't bother me. I don't really care. This was £12, so an absolute bargain, and the material is really quite nice. I thought it might be a bit heavy, which it isn't, which is ideal obviously for summer. It's really light, it's really nice, it's really comfortable, and I just think the style of it is actually quite flattering, because where it kind of sits just underneath the bust here, and then just drops down straight, is actually quite flattering and quite slimming. This was, like I said, only £12, a bargain, and yeah, really like this one. Next up, I've got two dresses that are very similar, so I might as well just put them together, but they're two very simple, easy black dresses, and what I liked about these ones actually was that the neck is square. So I quite like that kind of style. I think that suits my neckline quite well, in that it's a little bit more square. So this one is the slightly shorter one, and then I have exactly the same style. Again, this one, and this is the longer one. So basically this is midi length, and the other one is mini length. The midi one, if I remember rightly, I think this was £12, and the shorter one was £10. So absolute bargain. They're both slightly kind of A-line in shape. But yeah, I think just for a simple black dress, just something to throw on when you just, you know, need something. Again, you can dress it up, dress it down, but I thought for the price you really can't go wrong. So yeah, I think these two are an absolute bargain at £10 and £12. And just following on from the two black dresses, I'm the kind of person, when I see something I like, I get it in all shapes, sizes and colours. So exactly the same style of dress, the square neck, but this one, as you can see, is just white with black stars on. So this is the shorter one. This only comes in the shorter mini length, but I just liked it. I thought it was something a little bit different. I haven't got many white dresses in my wardrobe, so yeah, just something easy to throw on again. And this one was £15, so it's a little bit more, but still an absolute bargain really. So I picked this one up as well. And last but by no means least, the actual dress that I'm wearing at the moment. So this is another kind of mini length dress, slightly A-line. I really like this one because it's kind of got contrasting stitching on it. I like the bows on the top here as well, so on the straps I just thought that that was a little bit different. Like the button detail, and what's nice about these buttons is they're just like fake buttons, so there's no problem with gaping or openings or anything like that on this dress. So like I said before, I don't have too many kind of white dresses in my wardrobe, just because I'm not the size that I really want to be at, and obviously when you're wearing something white it shows everything. So yeah, I don't have too many of this colour in my wardrobe, but I really like this one. This is again slightly A-line, so it kind of just skims you nicely in the right areas. So yeah, I bought this one too. So that is it for my ASOS summer dress haul. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and also let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite dress. Which one do you like the most? If you're not already a subscriber, please do click the link down below, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.